9 best businesses you can start with no money. You've probably heard the saying, it takes money to make money. While there's some truth behind that phrase, it's not a golden rule. Many successful businesses have been built from scratch without any significant financial investment. If you're determined, resourceful, and ready to put in the effort, there are numerous paths to entrepreneurship that don't require upfront capital. Is starting a business without money easy? The short answer is no. Building a business with zero financial resources can be challenging. It requires time, patience, and creativity. If you do have some savings or external funding, by all means invest it to accelerate growth. However, if that's not an option, don't be discouraged. Some businesses require more time and effort than money, making them low-risk, high-reward ventures. Let's dive into the best options you can start today. 1. Content creator. Whether you call yourself an influencer, content creator, or digital storyteller, building a business around content creation is a lucrative path for many. According to recent reports, successful content creators earn an average of $80,000 annually. While achieving this level of income takes time and consistency, it's a viable and rewarding option. Getting started. Begin by choosing a niche you're passionate about. Are you constantly sharing baking tips with friends? Do you love discussing fitness or technology? Narrow your focus to an area where you can provide value and stand out. Here's how to start creating content. Choose your platform. Decide whether you'll focus on YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, or a combination. Leverage free tools. Use your smartphone to shoot videos or take photos. Edit with free software like Canva or CapCut. Be consistent. Post regularly to build an audience. Monetization strategies. Once you have a loyal following, monetize your content through merchandise, sell branded apparel, mugs, or accessories. Affiliate marketing. Promote products and earn a commission for each sale made through your links. Brand sponsorships. Partner with companies to showcase their products in your content. Patreon memberships. Offer exclusive content to paying subscribers. Digital products. Sell ebooks, templates, or courses related to your niche. Tips for success. Engage with your audience. Reply to comments and ask for feedback. Collaborate with other creators in your niche to cross-promote content. Stay authentic to build trust and credibility with your audience. 2. Podcasting. Podcasting has become a popular medium for sharing ideas, stories, and expertise. With a microphone and a free software tool, you can begin creating engaging audio content that resonates with listeners worldwide. Steps to start a podcast. Define your topic. Choose a theme that aligns with your interests and expertise. Plan your episodes. Outline topics or scripts for your first 10 episodes. Record with minimal equipment. Start with your laptop microphone or an affordable headset. Edit and upload. Use free tools like Audacity to refine your audio and distribute your podcast using platforms like Anchor or Buzzsprout. Monetization method subscriptions. Offer premium episodes behind a paywall. Sponsorships. Promote businesses during your episodes in exchange for payment. Affiliate marketing. Share product links that align with your podcast theme. Merchandising. Sell branded items like t-shirts or mugs. Pro tips. Invite guest speakers to expand your audience. Promote your podcast on the social media platforms. Ask for listener feedback to improve and tailor your content. 3. Freelancing and consulting are excellent options for those with marketable skills. Whether you're a writer, graphic designer, programmer, or photographer, there's a demand for your expertise. Steps to start freelancing. Identify your skill set. Focus on your strengths and what services you can offer. Create a portfolio. Showcase your best work on free platforms like Behance or LinkedIn. Find clients. Start with your existing network and expand to platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and TopTal. Consulting as a business consulting involves providing advice rather than deliverables. If you're an expert in a specific field, leverage that knowledge to help others succeed. For instance, a marketing consultant might create strategies for small businesses, while a career consultant could assist job seekers with resumes and interview preparation. Tips for success. Set clear rates and expectations with clients. Always deliver high-quality work to build your reputation. Expand your network by attending industry events or joining online forums. 4. Blogging. Blogging is a timeless way to share your passions and generate income. While it requires time to build an audience, blogging can become a significant revenue stream with consistency and the right strategies. How to start blogging. Choose a niche. Focus on a specific topic, such as travel, food, or personal finance. Build a website. Use free platforms like WordPress.com or Blogger to create a blog. Write engaging content. Create valuable and shareable articles. Monetization strategies, affiliate marketing. Promote products or services and earn commissions. Advertising. Use Google AdSense to display ads on your blog. Sell digital products. Create and sell ebooks, courses, or templates. Memberships. Offer exclusive content to subscribers. Sponsorships. Partner with brands for sponsored posts. Success tips. Focus on SEO, search engine optimization, to increase your blog's visibility. Use social media to drive traffic to your blog. Engage with your readers through comments and newsletters. 5. Teaching, instructing, tutoring. Do you have expertise in a subject or skill? Teaching others can be a fulfilling and profitable venture. From academic tutoring to teaching creative skills like painting or playing an instrument, the opportunities are endless. Getting started. Choose your teaching style. Decide whether you'll offer in-person sessions or virtual classes. Advertise your services. Use community boards, social media, or tutoring platforms like Wyzen. Start small. Offer free or low-cost sessions to build credibility. Areas of expertise: academic subjects, math, science, and test prep. Arts and crafts, painting, knitting, or pottery. Fitness, yoga, personal training, or dance. Languages, teach your native language or one you're fluent in. Tips for success: be patient and adapt to different learning styles. Use free tools like Zoom for online classes. Continuously improve your teaching methods based on feedback. 6. Coaching. Coaching is a natural extension of teaching, but focuses more on guiding individuals toward achieving personal or professional goals. This can include career coaching, fitness coaching, or life coaching. How to start: choose your niche. Decide whether you'll coach individuals on career development, health, or personal growth. Certify yourself. While not always required, certifications can boost your credibility. Advertise your services. Use social media and platforms like LinkedIn to find clients. Revenue streams: one-on-one coaching sessions, group workshops or webinars, selling ebooks or online courses. Tips for success: set realistic goals with your clients. Continuously learn and stay updated in your niche. Use testimonials to build trust and attract new clients. 7. Virtual assistant. As businesses increasingly operate online, the demand for virtual assistants, VAs, has surged. VAs handle tasks like managing emails, scheduling, and social media, making it a flexible and in-demand business idea. How to start: identify your skills. List the services you can offer, such as data entry, email management, or customer support. Find clients. Use platforms like Upwork or advertise your services on LinkedIn. Set your rates. Charge hourly or offer packages for specific tasks. Scaling your business. As you gain experience, hire other VAs to take on additional clients. This can turn your solo venture into a full-fledged agency. Success tips: stay organized and communicate effectively. Continuously upgrade your skills to offer more value. Build strong relationships with your clients for long-term contracts. 8. Event planning. Event planning is a versatile business that can cater to various needs, from corporate conferences to personal celebrations. With creativity and organization, you can excel in this field. Starting steps: choose your niche. Decide whether you'll focus on weddings, corporate events, or community gatherings. Network. Build relationships with venues, caterers, and vendors. Market your services. Use social media to showcase your events and attract clients. Revenue streams. Charge consultation fees. Offer package deals. Earn commissions from vendors. Tips for success. Develop a keen eye for detail. Manage budgets efficiently. Provide exceptional customer service to earn referrals. 9. Online community management. Online communities are essential for brands looking to connect with their audiences. As a community manager, you'll moderate discussions, create content, and foster engagement. How to start understand your platforms. Familiarize yourself with platforms like Reddit, Discord, and social media networks. Find opportunities. Reach out to businesses or search job boards for community management roles. Set rates, charge hourly, or offer monthly retainers for ongoing management. Monetization, manage multiple communities simultaneously. Offer consulting services for community building strategies. Create and sell guides on effective community management. Tips for success: stay active and responsive within communities. Use analytics to track engagement and improve strategies. Develop a strong understanding of the brand's voice and values. Tips for starting a business with no money: spend wisely. Invest in essentials like a website or equipment only when necessary. Bootstrap your operations. Use free or low-cost tools and resources. Leverage existing skills. Focus on businesses that utilize what you already know. Build your network. Word of mouth and referrals are invaluable for growth. Keep your job. Use your current income to support your side hustle until it's sustainable. Starting a business without money isn't impossible. It just requires determination, resourcefulness, and strategic thinking. By following these ideas and tips, you're well on your way to creating a successful venture from the ground up.